Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Today, we're diving deep into the MOSISO compatible with MacBook Pro 13-inch case, designed to protect your laptop with style and functionality. If you're a MacBook Pro user, you won't want to miss this review. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our tech reviews. Alright, let's kick things off by introducing the MOSISO compatible with MacBook Pro 13-inch case M2. This case is designed exclusively for MacBook Pro 13-inch models from 2016 to 2023. But here's the catch. You need to check the AXXXX model number on the back of your laptop to ensure compatibility. MOSISO leaves no room for guesswork. Now, onto the design and features. This case offers full protection for your MacBook Pro, guarding it against scrapes and scratches. The plastic hard shell finish is not only durable but also exquisitely finished. And if you're worried about heat, don't be. The case is fully vented, ensuring safe heat disbursement to keep your laptop cool under pressure. Wondering how to get this case on your MacBook Pro? It's a breeze. There are 4 clips for the top cover and 4 clips for the bottom cover. Start by attaching the bottom cover at the hinge location and secure the back side with 2 clips. Then, apply gentle force to secure the front side. After that, attach the top cover at the hinge location, apply gentle force again, and snap it on. Voila! Your MacBook Pro is now stylishly protected. But that's not all. When you purchase this MOSISO case, you're in for some bonuses. You get not 1 but 2 matching color keyboard covers, which are compatible with various MacBook Pro models. Plus, there's a screen protector to safeguard your keyboard and screen from spills. And the cherry on top? A small storage bag for your mouse and earphones, keeping things organized and hassle-free. So, there you have it, the MOSISO compatible with MacBook Pro 13-inch case M2. It's sleek, it's protective, and it's packed with value. And guess what? It weighs just 8.9 ounces and adds only 1.2 millimeters in thickness, so your MacBook Pro remains lightweight and portable. Before we wrap up, remember that MOSISO stands by their product with a 1-year warranty on both the case and keyboard cover. That's peace of mind for your investment. Some text goes here. If you're a MacBook Pro user looking for stylish protection and added bonuses, this MOSISO case might be your next purchase. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews just like this one. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this case, drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next review.